Assalamu alaikum. Today we will install Apache Spark on our laptops. First, we have to go to the Spark site, which is this one, and we will copy this, and this will appear, and we will select whatever is compatible with our laptop, and we will click on download button. And when we will click this, the downloading will start. I've already downloaded my Spark, so I don't have to do that. And after that, we have to download this file from the GitHub, and we will paste this, and it will show us to the this screen, and we will download from here. I have already downloaded that one also, so let's get on with it now. First, in the C folder, we have to create a big data folder. I have created one. You should, if you like it, you could also create that. And there are two folders here. Hadoop. First, we will talk about Hadoop. If we go there is a bin folder, and I've pasted the WinUtil file from the GitHub page, which I have downloaded from there. And in the Spark folder, I have copy pasted the whole uh, folder which I have downloaded from the site. Now we have to configure uh, the environment variables. First, we have to copy the Spark Spark folder address, that is, which is here, and Control C, which is add system environment variables. And when we click on here, there is new, and we will write Spark, and for that we will copy the address of that folder. We have to do another one, which will be Hadoop, and we have to give the address of the bin folder here. That's it, and you press OK. And now we have to configure the path variables here. So I've already written it down here, and for Spark we will just add a new, and we have to paste two of them, so we will do it like this. We will click OK, and now we will check that if now we have to open the command prompt and see if Spark is installed or not. So we will go to the folder where it is installed, which is big data cd, and then there is Spark folder, and then we will go to the bin folder where we can start the application Spark share, and see right now that it will start, and it will show that the Spark has been installed. We should wait a couple of minutes, and you can see that Spark is online. Thank you for watching.